what's up, man? It's Ken Davis, Facebook, Instagram, Print Money Ken. Shout out to Real Life Entrepreneurs Podcast, TV, studio, all of the above. I came in here, gave them 30 minutes of good game. You know what I'm saying? Like your boy out of Dallas, talking about the big reform. I gave them a small reform right here in the city. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate for letting me on y'all TV, man. Tap in, man. That's all I can tell you.
What's going on, everybody? You rocking with the Real Life Entrepreneurs, and you rocking with your boy A1 Steel.
Hey man, it's the biggest voice on the low. It's the Cho.
Hey
Man, we got us a special guest in here today, man. We got us a credit repair.
Oh yeah.
What else can we call you?
Everything.
Man, a real influencer, man. We got a real influencer, man, from Funky Town, Eggland, man, Mr. Ken printed himself. Yeah.
Hey.
I messed up on the intro.
Oh, you messed up on the intro.
Print Money Ken, man.
Print Money Ken.
Yeah,
Money Ken.
Print Money Ken, man.
Yeah,
I'm from the
okay.
bottom, which is Hooverland. Shout out to the Ag, though. You know, it's
Yeah,
Ag.
yeah.
It's all the South. But, you know, I'm from the bottom, it's Hooverland. But my boys called me in, man. They wanted some of this game, some of this sauce. So
Yeah.
we
That's
here.
kind.
I'm finna drop it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all want to hear, we finna drop it. So whatever questions they ask, whatever they want to do, let's do
Yeah,
it.
for sure.
So you say, see, man, you start with the credit repair,
So,
man.
so I'm gonna give y'all a background history. So boom,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I've been back and forth to prison the last 13 years, in and out the feds. This last time before I went 2018, I met a dude. He wiped my credit in like 5 days. You know what I'm saying? Boom, he wiped my credit in 5 days. First, I was skeptical. You know what I'm saying? He pulled up on me. We all sat down at the Cheesecake Factory. Man, pulled up in the Bentley, parked it in handicap. I'm like, shit, I need to get like him. You know what I'm saying? So we sitting at the table. He like, yeah, I'm gonna charge y'all each $500 a piece. He like, shit, I'm gonna wipe your credit. So I'm like, damn, for real? You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm green. Okay, bet. 500, bet. You know what I'm saying? We all skin down. Me, my partner, two of my other partners, we all skin down right now. He lead the table about 2,500. And he did what he said he was gonna do. You know what I'm saying, man? Wipe my credit in about 4 or 5 days. Now keep in mind it's 2018.
So your credit was fucked up before, like real life.
It was messed up, but it was more messed up because I wasn't
Using
wise on what it. You know, I'm just thinking, oh, I can go get a secured credit card and I go get an auto loan and I got good credit. That ain't it. You know what I'm saying? You still gonna have a thin file. You know what I'm saying? Now that I know this, but at the time I had new car, whatever. I was still battling between the streets and the corporate world, so. You already know when you're straddling the fence, one gonna take the hoe. So the streets took the hoe, got fucked up, shit, lost my little job, turned back to the streets, car got shot up, let it go back, just this whole bunch of shit to fast forward to 2018. So, you know what I'm saying? At that time, I was already on the run for the feds because I had got a violation.
I was finna ask you that. What was your first time?
So the
What
first time I got locked up was 2010.
Uh-huh.
I got locked up for a felony possession of a firearm, 922 G1, pistol case, federal, Northern District of Texas, Fort Worth Division. They gave me 63 months. You know what I'm saying? On that 63, I did 54.
Okay, big.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't no drug program for no pistol case.
Was it like 5 years?
Yeah, like 4.5.
4.5.
48 months is 4 years, 12 months. You know what I'm saying? I did 54 months on a 63-month sentence for a pistol. But what I realized while I was down there, I'm seeing all these other races, and well, not even other races, because blacks and Hispanics is kind of, slow, kind of slow, really.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm seeing these other races, they down there, they ain't got 10, 12 months, but they was doing a bunch of white collar crimes. So I'm like, damn, this shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? They living good. I'm down here broke, struggling. You know what I'm saying? My people taking care of me for a pistol case. But then I'm looking at my mans over here. He big capping. He stole every week, or whenever we go in the store, he busting this 360. He gambling big. Like, man, what do you do? And he got a small sentence. So that's what kind of woke me up. And I still was asleep. You know what I'm saying? I still was asleep. So that kind of woke me up to the credit and the programs, all this. But I was still asleep because I didn't know. Got out, got a job, opened up the BJ's in South Lake. You know what I'm saying? Opened up the BJ's. Start working on diesels, just trying to get myself.
You say you start working on diesels?
Yeah.
Diesel trucks?
Yeah.
Diesel mechanic?
Ooh.
Yeah, I went to Lincoln Tech.
Okay.
Lincoln Tech in Grand Prairie out here.
Mm-hmm.
Went to Lincoln Tech, started working on diesels. I opened up the TA in Hillsboro. And Hillsboro, I'm the only black man on the picture in there. You know what I'm saying? But I opened that store. I opened the BJ's in South Lake. So I opened both of them stores. Like I say, but I was in the mix of I'm doing good, but I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? My partners from the hood, I'm thugging with them still, so I'm straddling the fence.
So coming up, would you say you was a smart kid?
I always been sharp.
I always been sharp.
I always
okay.
been sharp.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I went to the flies or the hamsters
You
or
had
whatever,
to-
but
you
I was
had to
always
mind.
for sure.
For sure.
So whatever plan we put together, we was gonna run it.
Yeah.
Whatever plays, we was gonna connect the dots.
For sure. Nah, you the mastermind behind it. Nah, I'm just saying, you thought you was the thinker. You
Yeah.
had the mind. You
Yeah,
was
for
smart. But you was sharp.
Chess. You know what I'm
Goddamn
saying? Best way you can explain it, man. Chess on the streets.
Goddamn right.
Yeah, so get back to that. You made that deal, wipe the credit.
So boom, when we meet him, we at the Cheesecake Factory and all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying, pull up, he in a Bentley, two-door coupe. Like, damn. Like, what you do? Like, man, shit, I fix credit. They had a trucking company, had a couple of trucks on the road. He had a lot of shit going on. So I was trying to get next to him. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I'm calling him like, hey, what's up? He like, yeah, I got your credit done. What you want me to do? You want me to send them or you want, nah, nigga, give me them letters so I can kind of visualize what you doing so maybe I can find me a hustle on this. So boom. He bring me the letters. I go to FedEx store or something, copy all of those. Then I shoot them. I shoot them in. I send them straight to the bureaus. I'm checking my experience out. You know what I'm saying? About 7 days later, he did what he said he was gonna do. So I wiped it, scope jump, everything. That was then.
What did jump to? Just tell
man,
how many points?
I think
60.
About 67, 55 to 70 points. You're gonna say, but each bureau.
Yeah.
So what that is, that's say you get 50 points each bureau, that's 150 increase. You know what I'm saying? But at this time, that method was great. So, and that's the fraud method. That was great. He wiped everything. So basically saying it was fraud, nigga, they literally blocked everything off my credit. So collections, everything. You know what I'm saying? Literally wiped it. So now keep in mind I'm on the run for the feds. So my time winding down. You know what I'm saying? So boom, I'll leave the streets right after that. So it was a good investment. $500, leave the street. You know what I'm saying? Great investment. You know what I'm saying? Come back, gone 2 years. 2018, fast forward to 2020. In 2020, I get out. Nothing. If you look at my page, you're going to see me. Fresh day out, then I catch COVID. I mean, I don't catch COVID, but I catch the era of COVID, but in prison. We green. We don't know what COVID is. We ain't in the free world. Everybody in this bitch thugging. You know what I'm saying? But they got us locked down. So I come on during the COVID, during the pandemic. You know what I'm saying? They call it a pandemic for a reason. Come home in the pandemic. Didn't have shit. You know what I'm saying? Had a woman, she was dying, whatever, but minus that, shit, I had picked my people, family, before as structure, shit, I ain't got nothing. I ain't got a car. I got a place to stay. I ain't got shit. These clothes, I've been gone 2 years. Shit. Shit changed daily.
Yeah. I
ain't got nothing. So I'm sitting back trying to formulate what I didn't study. So the whole time I was down, like I say, when I rented the dude, man, my people, they like, you need some money? I'm like, nah, I don't need no food. We getting it off the land down here.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, send me this book. Send me this book. Send me this. I won't get nothing but credit, real estate, taxes, just everything just in them fields.
So what was one of the books that stood out to you through all the ones you was getting?
The 800 Blueprint, man, by Anthony Daniels. You know what I'm saying? He woke me up. I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying, studying this and this, picking up he sound like a black author. The 800 Blueprint, Anthony Daniels, man, he dropped some major gems.
What was one that stood out to you that he dropped on?
How to liquidate credit cards. You know what I'm saying? How he taking the credit card, setting up the PayPal, setting up the business, different Stripe accounts, different things, and he liquidate these cards by sending you an invoice or sending his girl an invoice or his partner an invoice. Y'all all got businesses. So that was just one. He had so much in there, and it ain't numbered 150 pages, but it's like every page you turn, it was gems. He said how to delete off your credit. He tell you how to build your credit. Then once you get the credit good, how to, you know what I'm saying, liquidate these credit cards. Because everybody out here is going for loans. That's the hardest money to get. Personal loans, going in all these different places trying to get a loan, that's the hardest money to get.
Yeah.
They'll give you $20,000 credit card for they give you $2,000 loan.
Right. Facts.
You know what I'm saying? So with that,
it's hard to get $500.
Correct. And then the interest on that $500 will be terrible.
It's crazy.
But like I tell people all the time, would you rather have $10,000 in cash or $100,000 in credit cards?
Yeah.
But if you don't got the game or you don't understand it, you won't know how to get that money.
So what's the best way to go get the credit card?
I mean, it's the best way to get the credit card. The best way to liquidate.
it.
First, you gotta know which credit card you're going to get. You know what I'm saying?
You would say you got a credit score around 600.
So
the
scope. So I'm gonna be straight up. The scope don't even matter.
Okay.
If you got a structure 680. A structure 680, not.
What's the difference? Structure.
A structure is open accounts. You know what I'm saying? You got 7 to 10 to 15 open. The more open accounts you got on the credit profile, you know what I'm saying, the better you are. So what they're saying is, if you got a 680 structure, but he got a 770 thin, you gonna get approved for more than he doing. So basically, what a 770 thin is like a CPN. You know what I'm saying? A 680 structure, they gonna give you that bag. You know what I'm saying? As long as you ain't got certain things. You can't have no late payments last 2 years. You can't have no deposits. That's for different funding. You know what I'm saying? But credit cards, your inquiry is low, you go get a city card today. You know what I'm saying? City Advantage should get reward points. You can use them to fly for free. You know what I'm saying? I can show you an example. That's one. You know what I'm saying? Just chase. So certain cards, you got to go at a low limit. You know what I'm saying? So that's what a city credit card look. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
That's what the city card look like.
City card.
Advantage, American Advantage city card. It'll give you points. You know what I'm saying? Then once the points build up, you can take them points and purchase a flight. You can update your room. You know what I'm saying? A couple more things. They'll let you redeem it on the website. So that city American Advantage. So that'll be a flight on American Airlines. You know what I'm saying? So that's a little bit farther down the game.
Yeah, for sure.
But this is how people changing. Because like I said, I came home for nothing. I've been home 2 years. We done bought a house. I'm in the rental car game. The Toro killing it. But I'm running private.
Yeah,
I'm running private. Because Toro taking too much of your money.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm running the private play. You know what I'm saying? Basically, each car will cover $2,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? Got like 7 cars.
That's what's up.
So after we pay the car note, 7 cars by $49, we're gonna say $700 a piece, $4,900. You know what I'm saying? $4,900 on car notes. Commercial policy insurance by the band. You know what I'm saying? That's $5,900. The rest profit.
Cool money.
Yeah, that's just that stream of income.
Yeah.
Just the rental car.
Turo type shit.
I ain't even using Turo.
Yeah. I'm private shit.
The play is get on Turo, pass out your card, your number. You know what I'm saying? And start your private play. You know what I'm saying? Because Turo taking too much money. You rent my car off Turo, I might make $50, but Turo done hit you for $200. Yeah, for sure. But it's a good start. Like if you just getting out, put your cars on Turo. But if you dropping them off or whoever dropping them off, get them to drop off. Give them your car.
So what would you say the process of that is? Get your credit right,
nah,
then jump in that game.
You ain't even gotta get your credit right, bro. Listen, we got more sauce than a local barbecue spot.
Bet.
You bring
we Ken in the building.
Listen, Print Money Ken, man. IG Print Money Ken. Facebook Ken Davis, man. Listen,
right, tap in.
I'm gonna show you. This is what I be teaching, man. I'm gonna show you how to take your credit right now. If you want to get in rental car game, your credit, your girl credit, your baby mama credit, your partner credit, whoever. I'm gonna take that one credit, show you how to go get your 5 cars. That'll get you 10 bands a month. After you pay the car note, you should have a 5-band profit. That's just one person. So I'm gonna take that a step farther. How many partners
in the morning, man?
How many partners you got in jail?
Man, a few of them, a lot of them.
Partners you got on this? Okay, well, damn that.
Yeah.
Just say how many partners you got on the street that ain't doing shit with themselves.
I got some I could just reach
5,
out.
10. How many you got?
Shit, I got about a couple.
Okay, boom. We're gonna go to the cliff, right? We're gonna find your partners. We're gonna get valid ID for them, get their social, all that. We're gonna get a power attorney over there first. Do a power attorney. We're gonna make him go set this bank account up, be authorized something in this bank account. Now you can control everything with your partner name.
Oh, say Hey, he said he took. Alright, say it one more time, just for the slow people like me.
They ain't gonna pick it up, man. They ain't gonna pick this shit up.
That nigga said
they ain't gonna pick this shit I'm putting down. You hear me? Gotta pick it up. So listen, I'm gonna say it again. That's just the start, though. So what you do with that? The power of attorney over doable power of attorney over your partner first mean you can do everything with they name. All this shit I'm telling y'all is legal.
Yeah.
That's just like if I'm finna die and you my brother or whatever, and I sign this power of attorney, that means you can pull the plug on me if I'm struggling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I'm
I heard that what the females been doing.
That's golden. That's golden. Bro.
I heard that what the females be doing to my old niggas.
So yeah, I mean it's a step, but I'm just saying like we right here. You know what I'm saying? We all from different walks of life, but the same walk of life, which is the hood.
Yeah.
From the low end community. You know what I'm saying? Like the Bank of America shit that just came out. People, that shit went over so many people's head. Oh, they was excited. Nah, that's some bullshit. That shit is stipulating for Afro-Americans and Hispanics to stay where the fuck they at. You know what I'm saying?
What Bank of America talking about? What they talking about?
That zero down shit.
Yeah.
That shit.
Home loan for black people.
Man, that shit was specifically to keep us in the
hood.
Why do you
in
say
the
that?
white neighborhood.
Because
they only give you certain kind of houses.
Because you limited to the hood.
Yeah.
You don't want to stay in the hood, bro.
No, that's the only places that you can buy.
Yeah, they're not doing it in Frisco.
Low income communities. You can't go stay in Frisco, Carrollton, Plano. None of that. You're gonna be right in South Dallas.
Yeah, you're gonna be
in the Cliff.
A nice hood, a nice house.
Not the old Oak Cliff, the new Oak Cliff. Not when Oak Cliff was, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the new Oak Cliff.
Man, they put them right there in this.
So,
I'm talking about nice house.
All brand new houses though.
Yeah,
I mean,
right there,
even if it ain't, but you in the hood. See, listen. This is for black people, period. We never going to advance in the hood. Why? Because the laws they put in the hood. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Half the black community smoke weed. It's illegal in Texas still. The law is going to pull you out for smoking weed. The average black motherfucker riding around with a gun. You destined to fail, bro. When you get out the hood, hey, you're not running into these gang unit laws. You're not running into the task force laws. Yeah. You're not running into these laws. You're going to say it's a different ball game. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? My partner had to tell me, and they didn't sit in, so I went back to jail like, damn, I only going to jail when I'm on the south side of Fort Worth. When I'm over in other niggas' hood or just on the outskirts, I'm never getting in trouble. But when I'm right here where I'm from, the police know you don't got no win, bro. So why would you still be, that's insanity. Doing the same thing and expecting a different result. Yeah, that's insanity. You gonna say, think about it. Taxes coming, bro. Taxes in the next too much. Everybody finna go get new bed, go get a car they can't afford. They finna do the same shit they've been doing for the last 10 years. Ain't gonna get them nowhere. You know what I'm saying? When they could take 500 or 1,000, it's early. You ain't gotta come see me because I'm finna quit with credit repair. I hate it because it's time consuming. It ain't even time consuming. It's the people you deal with. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, back to the story. You can take that money, man. Fix your credit. Credit gonna get you in rooms that money can't get you in. You know what I'm saying?
So how much you charge to fix credit?
I mean, you know, I didn't need everything.
On how much the credit is.
So I charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000, right? That's for a credit. Yeah. So if you
how much shit you gotta get off of nigga shit?
That'd be a band. Yeah. That'd be $1,000. But what I'm gonna say this, I don't even want to do it no more because it's time. It ain't even time consuming. It's the people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Motherfucker give you $1,000 and expect to have a 700 credit score
tomorrow.
Yeah, but the catch on that is anybody can fix your credit, bro. I can show y'all right now. I can show both of y'all right now in 30 minutes how to fix your credit. Everybody is using the software. You're going to say I'm not going to drop the software because it's game. Yeah. But everybody is using the software, bro. The letters, everything is in the software. You know what I'm saying? So I can show y'all in 30 minutes how to work that software. Y'all can fix your own credit. The building and the structuring part of the credit is what gets you the bag. The building, the structure part of the business.
You can fix the credit, but you got to go work your credit.
Yeah, well, I can fix your credit, but I can't add certain shit. Yeah. I can't add self-lender. I can't add Covo. I can't add your rent payments to show back data. I can't add all that shit. Yeah, I gotta advise you to do it, and then it's on you to do it. But if you don't do it, you just got a clean
credit.
So what happens is
credit.
You got a thin credit file. You got a CPN basically. The only thing different with CPN, your SSN is validated through the Social Security Administration. It's the only thing different. But CPM and the thin files, SSN is the same goddamn thing. You can't get shit. Anything 9-digit number, bro, you gotta build. If it's CPN, if it's SSN, if it's EIN. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get more money with your EIN and your business. You know what I'm saying? Y'all in here, y'all in the studio, y'all need to have an LLC. Period. Not one on 4 LLCs. Everybody in here need to have their own LLC. And you need to make sure your NAC codes, NAICS codes, SIC codes, or something that's not a high risk industry, like entertainment, like real estate, like credit repair, like all trucking. All those are high risk. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta get it structured properly. Everything's about structure. The foundation, bro. Can't build nothing off a weak foundation. So
you blowing my mind through the roof right now. I'm trying to take it all in.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm gonna talk fast so you can kind of catch what I'm saying, but don't pick it up. Yeah. So you can be like, bro, you gotta run that back.
Goddamn right.
You gotta come back and run.
I'm sure.
Run that back, man.
In the morning.
Yeah, come run that shit one more time.
Goddamn right.
Yeah, that shit was
you know, a lot of people gonna miss this shit, man, because people just. Our people, black people, I'm gonna be honest, man, they got the shiny object syndrome. You know what I'm saying? They like shiny things. So if all of us pulled up in the expensive Benz they know they can't afford, they gonna want to talk to us. They gonna want to come in here, shoot videos. They gonna want to come in here and do a podcast. But as long as we looking how we looking, it don't look like we know nothing. But all these niggas that look like they know something, that actually know it, I done paid them niggas. And I done sit at the table with them niggas and that's how I build my platform. I ain't just read a bunch of books and got smart. I read them books, and by the time I came home, some of that shit was still working, some of it wasn't, so I had to keep paying for game. You know what I'm saying? The nigga that mentored me, he charged me $1,500 for 30 minutes of his time. The other nigga charged me 10 bands. So it ain't like I got this shit just out here. And, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people that had the information that was in my city wouldn't fucking with me.
Wouldn't even give it to you.
Wouldn't fucking with me.
Why is it like that though, bro? Why
shit bigger than them?
It's niggas.
Yeah,
but you say it's just niggas in your city though.
No,
so it gotta
period.
It's niggas.
So it ain't niggas you fucking with.
Mexicans, nah, it's niggas period.
It's niggas period.
Look at the Hispanics, man. The Hispanic will move in and move all of us in. We'll be in one house.
I stay around them.
You gonna say we'll be in one house. All the cars over the yard, everything all day. They'll go build another house and everybody. The family stayed in the other 8 moving out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? To keep going, the next thing you know, they got the whole block. You know what I'm saying? With niggas, I'm mad because you doing more than me. Yeah. Or I'm mad because it look like you gonna pass me up. Nah,
or one nigga ain't getting off their ass. Shit, some niggas just lazy.
Or a nigga think because he got money, you supposed to move differently. Nah, nigga, you gonna get in the queue like everybody else. If you paying for, if I'm paying, I'm charging like a lawyer. Lawyer charge $300 an hour, I do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Cause I know so much information, I can charge what I want to charge. Yeah. My mentor hit me for $1,500 for 30 minutes, so I can charge what he charged me. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely. You can charge 10 bands, what does?
Charge whatever I want to charge, bro. And it's just
you trying to get the information.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta pay for what you want.
You got to.
You gotta pay for what you want. I'm living proof, man. Been from 2010 to 2020, man, in and out of prison. You know what I'm saying? I ain't been. I just hit my 2-year mark. You know what I'm saying? I'm traveling, passport. You know what I'm saying? We own our house. You know what I'm saying? We got a mortgage. Got multiple cars. You know what I'm saying? I got a little part-time job. Just the job ain't it, but you gotta use that job to you know what I'm saying.
Getting that house. Like, what your credit score gotta be like?
620.
620.
620. It's 620 FICO score, all 3 bureaus, bro. When I say all 3 bureaus, that's experience.
Over 620.
At least 620, bro. 620, but
what kind of house though?
You can get what you want. Fuck me, you know me.
Oh, okay.
You know me, you can get what you want. Why? Because we're gonna get your income in order.
Goddamn right.
You gotta have your income reported. That's what a lot of people fail to do. That's why these dope boys and shit can't get nowhere. Come see me. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make sure.
That's what I need to do because I own a barbershop, but then like I
you
tried
need
to
to pay yourself.
Yeah, I tried to go get something. Yeah, it's like, how do you get? I said, man, I pay myself. I'm like, but I got a bank account. I just don't put it in the I put it in the bank when I need to pay my bills and stuff. Before it's like they was like you need to deposit
because someone want to see so much money in your bank for so many amount of months.
It's from this place. You know what I'm saying? Like. You know how if I'm depositing cash. If I'm depositing cash, it ain't gonna
say. He finna tell you right now.
No, we gonna listen. Go, because
like,
people need to hear.
Like, you know, I'm depositing cash, right? And I'm going to go try to get something. So I'm like, well, I'm depositing cash. It's not telling you it's coming from Major League Barbershop. You know what I'm saying? So how do I go buy depositing that cash and making it come from the business.
You asked me, or that's what you asked me?
I'm asking you.
Well, I'm gonna tell you. So boom, Major League Business needs to be LLC.
Okay.
You need to set up a payroll and pay yourself from Major League Business. Major League Barbershop.
Okay.
When you pay yourself from a business account to your personal account.
Okay. Yeah. Gotta get a business account.
No, you gotta set your business up. Your business gotta be set up.
Well, I got an EIN. I just need to get.
DBA, none of that ain't gonna get you no money. If you're trying to get some money on the funding side, you gotta have an LLC, bro. LLC S corp in the state of Texas, $300.
Yep.
They're the same thing. The only thing difference is the tax benefits. You know what I'm saying? In the state of Texas, you can have an LLC or file taxes as an S corp. That'll put you over here. You know what I'm saying? To take that a step further, you put that S corp in the trust. You know what I'm saying? Now you're untouchable. This is what the Trumps, the Rockefellers, and all them did. That's why they can't never get him to pay taxes. He avoiding taxes because he controlling everything, but don't own shit.
It's in the trust.
Putting all shit in the trust. Life insurance policies, whole life, not term, whole life. Index universal life. They putting all that shit in the trust. They call it the infinite banking model. They're using it to fund their generations of wealth. So basically, you controlling shit from the grave because you implemented this stuff in the trust. You controlling it from the grave.
That's deep.
Damn, that is.
That's deep. Say, man, $1 million right there, bro. That's deep.
That's why the name Print Money King.
Nah, for sure.
Showing you how to print your own money, like. But that ain't how the name. I'm gonna tell you how I even came up with the name. I'm waiting to get it branded because I don't want to keep telling people because people steal.
That's hard. Yeah.
So that ain't the hardest part. You know how I came up with the name?
What's that?
It's only 2 cities in America print money. Fort Worth, one of them.
Yeah, Fort Worth is one of them.
Fort Worth is one of them. I'm from Fort Worth. My name Ken.
Got the
Print Money Ken. It's a brewing and gravery.
Yeah.
Washington D.C., Fort Worth, Texas. That's how I came up with the name.
Nah, for sure. That's hard.
Print Money Ken.
That's hard.
You know what I'm saying? Under 15 characters.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
That's hard.
City, name. You know what I'm saying?
No, you hard, big dog. You hard. You know something.
You gotta print your own money, bro.
Nah, you know
so
something.
what I'm telling him, I'm gonna run that playback to you because I know you missed it. Set your LLC up. I'm gonna show you how to attach your payroll service to that LLC. You're gonna have that in a separate business account, not in the same institution. So for your business bank account, you're probably in Cap One, you're probably in Bank of America, somewhere where you can move some money, or Chase. Chase are good, or Wells cool. You know what I'm saying? But far is fine. So it's based off what you want to do. If you're trying to get in the credit game, y'all need to leave them big banks alone. You know what I'm saying? Chase, the only big bank I would recommend because they got good credit products on the personal side. Navy Federal, personal side, great. You know what I'm saying? Any credit union gonna be great because of the rates. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? If you had a 650, I could take you in the Navy Federal tomorrow and get you 30 to 40 tomorrow.
Well, I'm almost close too. I'm at like 614. Let's go.
Yeah, tomorrow. If you ain't got an open auto loan, I'll show you the auto loan conversion plan.
No, I ain't got no auto loan right now.
Okay, well, get your score up. I'm gonna take you in there and get you a bag. Charge you something like 5-7%, but the rest on you.
You hard, big dog.
I'm sure
I'm kind of in the morning, man. Say, don't worry.
That's just one.
That's just one.
Yeah, that's
it's a line of shit.
And that's good because I'm trying to get into the credit game right now, trying to get my credit right, to me and my girl shit right. So
I've been on it, but I got scammed, so I ain't even just.
You already received it? You already received it?
Yeah, so shit, I've been working on mine, but I got scammed, so I ain't even.
Yeah, I mean, but it's gonna look like a scam. It's gonna look like you scam, bro. I'm gonna be honest. It's gonna look like you scam because
somebody tried to fuck with me and fix my shit.
So look, bro. That shit take time, bro. So listen, don't let nobody tell you it's a 4-5 day turnaround. Everybody's shit is different. I might fix your shit in a month. It might take you 4 months. You know what I'm saying? His might be a week. Yours might be 2 months. You might not see no results for 30 to 60 days. You know what I'm saying? So everybody is different, bro. But don't let it. But the best thing to do is Either learn the game so you can always win. That's my thing, bro. I know the game, so the L's don't even matter.
Yeah,
nigga take an L, nigga lose something in investment. Some don't, nigga, it don't matter because I know how to win. You know what I'm saying? I got enough game to, I could fuck my credit up, turn around and fix it, and go back and run the same play over again. You know what I'm saying?
Make it better.
And run the same play over again. Because, okay, I failed the first time. I need a little guidance. Let me go to the drawing board, write it down. We're going to go run this play again. You know what I'm saying?
You hard.
Run the same play over again. You know what I'm saying? That Navy Federal play shit still going good.
Nah, you hard. You hard, big dog. Man, we got to run this back. We got to, man. This boy here. For sure. But nah, man, say I appreciate you coming along, fucking with us, bro. You dropped a lot of game on us, bro. For real, man.
Hey, man, shit, man, y'all rocking with the real life entrepreneurs, man. You rocking with the boy A1 Steel, man. And hey, tell them folks where they can find you at.
Brent Money Ken, IG Ken Davis on Facebook, man. Thank y'all.
Man, I appreciate you,
For
man.
real, for real.
Hey, man, it's the show and we gotta go.
Hey.